Hi viewers, this is Saveda Farm and Cottages. We have come for a holiday in this cottage and it's very pretty one. The owner, Miss Arya, is with me.
Hello.
Hi Arya, how are you?
Hello. I'm great. I'm great.
And
I'm
this is a
so
love.
great that I'm having these people over here. I'm so grateful to Raji ma'am, Chitra ma'am. They have a wonderful group. And we really loved. It's like just our relatives had come over. We really loved all of you. So this is basically a farm stay where nature is celebrated. Whoever who wants to stay with nature just need a calm, cool 1 day or 2 day, with the nature all around. It's completely green only.
I have
That is why.
taken few pictures and videos which I'll be uploading along with this introductory video. So you all can enjoy this and of course the contact number and the link of this cottage I will be giving in the description box. Yeah, say Arya.
Yeah. So thank you so much for who are all watching. Please subscribe ma'am's channel, and please do follow us also if possible. Do come monsoons, winters, summers, anytime is best for having be with nature and de-stress yourself.
And
Yeah.
there is a river behind this
Yes, yes,
cottage
yes,
and that
it's
is the
down there.
most attractive point of this cottage and you can really enjoy. There is a gaushala, biogas plant, so many things are there.
Yes, many
You come
things.
and
Explore.
explore it and that's what I would also say that. Thank you so much Arya
Yeah.
for
Thank you.
the
Thank you. Thank you.
lovely
Yes.
food. And on which day the sadhya is served? Only on
Sadhya is
Saturday
served on only Saturdays.
for lunch.
Yes, for lunch, and kindly pre-book. We will have a buffer of 1 or 2 people, but of course, for a large people, if coming without a prior information, it would be little bit difficult to handle. But we need a pre-order for the sadhya. But on Saturday, sadhyas are there.
Okay, thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Bye bye.
Yeah, bye. Hi viewers, we are in Saveda Farms and Cottages. Recently we had been there and this is the riverside view of that cottage. You will get cottages like this and we stayed in this room. Siddhakhya, this was our room and this is the view from the balcony of our room. Now certain pictures I will post from our trip just to know that you all will enjoy this trip. It's a weekend home, you can say, or weekdays also you can come here and relax. Absolutely, you can come and relax. Saturday you don't have to. Okay, and Saturday they serve lunch, the sadhya, Kerala style sadhya, which is served on the banana leaf, and you can enjoy this trip. And the food is absolutely delicious. The water has receded like anything now, and we really enjoyed 2 days. We really enjoyed in the water. 2 to 3 hours we were in the water only, and it was absolutely an amazing outing for us. Reminded me my childhood playing in the water in the river. That is 45 years back. So it was an absolute amazing trip. Thanks to my friend Saraswati and her sister Chitra for organizing this picnic. And we had been around 13 people in the group, and we really enjoyed it. And we are checking out now. You also do visit this place and enjoy your weekend or weekdays. During rainy season, the water will be this thing to up to this level, like near to the cottage it comes. So during rainy season, it's a bit difficult for you to enjoy the river swimming and all. But otherwise, now the totally it is receded. You can see from here the stones. So during summer you can come and enjoy, and or winter. Rainy season, avoid. Otherwise, means you will not be able to enjoy the riverside. You can't swim or you can't go to the river because the water level rises. They have come for morning bath. They are also enjoying the beauty of nature. jackfruit,
बरका और
pista. One fruit is there in that.
How to deal with it when they see a
Star
snake,
fruit.
when they see a cobra, they know how to deal with it.
Star
They fruit it.
fruit.
हे सगळे ना हे बघ, हे फ्रूट आहे फ्रूट आहे ते ना आता मोठं होणार मग येल्लो पण होतं.
इसको कैसे खाते हैं अंदर वाला खाते हैं बाहर का स्किन नहीं
डाल
खाने का धोने का उसे धोने का और गोल गोल काटने का पूरा स्टार शेप रहता है एंड खट्टा मीठा रहेगा. एक्सीलेंट. हमारे यहाँ बेचते हैं यार. और सानी
This is a variety of jackfruit. ये करी लीव्स का जीड है, सीड्स है.
तो जून
Some of the products I bought from the Saveda Farm. This is the pure ghee, which is manufactured by them because they've got a lot of cows. So this is ghee, nicely packed. I haven't opened it. Now this is the Dant Manchan, and this is ivy gourd pickle. It's all made from their source only. They have got vegetable plantation, and this is Talisa Patradi Churnam. This is for any throat related issues. You have to just keep it in your mouth and slowly take it so that it will soothe your throat. It's very good. So normally in all Kerala houses you find this, and a lot of oils are there for your knee pain, joint pain and all. Lot of products are there with them. These are very few, and they've got jaggery also. I didn't buy that because I was not in need of it. Ghee is pure ghee, so I bought it. And ivy gourd pickle, though I make it, since it is their homegrown product, I bought it.